In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Interfaces, how to create your own dashboard and simplify your data, step-by-step guide. We'll start right inside your Airtable base. Make sure you're in the base that holds the data you want to visualize. From the top menu, click Interfaces, then select Create Interface. This is where the magic happens. You're building a front-end view of your data, clean, focused, and designed for people to understand at a glance. Next, choose a layout template. If you want the fastest path to something polished, pick the dashboard template. It's optimized for metrics, charts, and quick summaries. If you prefer full control over placement and design, choose the custom layout. Both options let you get to the same result. The dashboard template just gets you there faster. Now let's add elements. Start with a record list to surface key records. This is perfect for things like tasks, deals, tickets, or projects. You can choose which fields to show so the list spotlights only what's relevant. Then add charts or graphs to summarize your numbers. Use sums for totals like revenue, averages for performance, and counts for volume trends. Finally, drop in summary blocks for quick, at-a-glance metrics. Think total revenue this month, number of open tasks, or active clients. These are your headline numbers, and they're great at the top of your dashboard. With the elements in place, it's time to configure them. For each block, select the table it should pull from and choose the fields that matter. This is where thoughtful selection pays off. Limit fields to the essentials so your dashboard stays clear and actionable. Apply filters to focus the view, such as only showing this quarter's records, items marked as open, or deals above a certain value. Filters help different audiences see exactly what they need without noise. Arrange your blocks visually for clarity. Resize charts so trends are easy to read, drag elements to group-related insights, and keep your summary metrics prominent. Don't be afraid to iterate. Preview, adjust spacing, and test on different screen sizes so everything remains legible. When your dashboard looks right, click Share to invite your team. You can grant read-only access for people who just need to view, or editable access for collaborators who will change filters or tweak elements. Set the right permissions so your base stays accurate while your dashboard stays useful. That's it, a clean, no-code dashboard built on top of your Airtable base, turning raw data into insights you can act on. Save, share, and refine as your needs evolve, and you'll always have a reliable snapshot of what matters most.